Hey folks, NotebookLM has added a new feature that is super cool. If you're new to NotebookLM, it's owned by Google. It's free at the moment. It's really an incredible large language model. And one of the things that makes it incredible is all the different kinds of sources that you can add. So if you look over here to the left, I've uploaded a book by Dan Kennedy called The Ultimate Sales Letter. And then I've added my business sales page for a challenge that I'm hosting. And if I click on add source, you can see all the different things I could add if I wanted. I could add website links, YouTube links. By the way, these doesn't have to be your website or your YouTube links. It's, just your research of whatever you want to add there. You can add PDFs, text files, markdowns, audios, MP3s, Google Docs, Google Slides, and just copied and pasted text. So you can add all of this, all of these sources, and you can add up to 50 sources, which is really cool. Okay, again, that's not new, nor is the little podcast feature. So you can see over here where it says deep dive conversation. I'm going to click customize, and I'm going to ask this male and female AI. They sound really human. They basically have a conversation about whatever content you put in there, but you could give them guidelines. So I'm going to say, please evaluate this sales page against Dan Kennedy's Ultimate Sales Letter Framework. Tell me what I can improve. And this is still not the new feature that I want to show you. So hold tight. So I'm going to click generate. Okay, so the conversation has loaded, and you see where it says interactive mode? That is what is new. So I'm going to start the conversation.
The classic.
It is a classic.
Yes.
So much great information in here. All right, welcome back everybody for another deep dive.
Yeah.
And this time we're diving deep into Dan Kennedy's Ultimate Sales Letter.
It's a classic.
It is a classic.
Yes.
So much great information in here. And what I really want to do is kind of take this framework that he's laid out and apply it to, like, you listening to this right now. Like, how can we take these principles and make your sales page?
Okay, now I'm going to interrupt. Hey, I'm enjoying the conversation, but would you mind just quickly getting to the point about my sales letter, my sales page, the systems challenge, and sort of look at how I can improve it. Give me some specific examples on how I can improve it based on Dan Kennedy's book, The Ultimate Sales Letter. Thanks.
Okay, I understand you're eager for some specific examples.
Yeah, and we want to make sure we're giving you exactly what you need.
So let's dive right into practical ways to improve your sales page based on Kennedy's principles.
And we can definitely keep it focused and get to the actionable advice.
First, Kennedy emphasizes getting into your customer's head.
Yeah, understanding their specific desires and pain points.
So are you using their language on your page?
Are you addressing their specific concerns in a direct way?
For example, instead of saying boost your productivity, can you say something more specific to them?
Like, finally complete your to-do list without feeling overwhelmed.
Kennedy also talks about
Okay, I mean, right now, if your head's not exploding, I don't know what to tell you. This is really incredible. So I encourage you to go over to NotebookLM, just search for it in your Google browser bar, and it'll take you right there and start playing with it. It's really incredible.